All right, let's make up some pillow paint. Now you can use, I use PPG Multi Pro. I prefer the eggshell. This is white and pastel base. I get it at Home Depot. The price is very good. I prefer to use this with a little bit additive. You can just use this by itself. I'm going to be adding GAC 800 for 4 cups of the Multi Pro white paint. I'm going to add, I put it in a smaller bottle, a 1/4 cup of the GAC 800. This will help when it dries. There's no crazing, no cracking. It's a great thing to add. Okay, so we're going to add 4 cups. And then I will put it in these from the 99-cent store. This is the first recipe. There's 2 recipes. Actually, you don't have to use any recipe. You can just use the paint itself. But sometimes they don't flow as nicely as you would like. And sometimes the paint that's manufactured comes out a little wonky. And I'm going to add 1/4 cup. That's about a 1/4 cup. I usually measured, but I just noticed I didn't have my cup. And all we do is we're going to slowly stir it in. So this is the first recipe. I'm not going to make you watch me do all this stirring, okay? So then we'll just go on to the next recipe. When this is done stirring, I'll write on here pillow and I'll put it in. Okay, now for our next pillow paint recipe, we're going to be using again your eggshell Multi Pro white and pastel base. I'm going to add 4 parts, so 4 cups, and I'm going to have 1 part or 1 cup of Glue All. This is Elmers Glue All, not just regular Elmer's glue, but Glue All. And my Flow, 1 part, so 1 cup of Floetrol also. Floetrol I get from the Home Depot. I ordered this online and this comes from the Home Depot. So let me first get 4 cups. Oh, I hope I have 4 cups in here. Well, I have to scrape some out. Okay, I scraped the bottom of the can and I was able to get 4 cups. So I need a bigger mixing bowl. So I'm going to pour this all in. Okay, now I'm going to do 1 cup of Glue All. Floetrol. And that's it for this recipe. The glue makes it a little bit stretchy. The Floetrol helps with the drying time. So a little more mixing to do with this. This is making a larger quantity. Now you want to wait a day. You wouldn't want to use this paint right away because the stirring and mixing makes a lot of bubbles, and then you'll have bubbles popping up in your painting, which you definitely don't want. So if you can help it, wait a day or two, at least one day. That's very nice. Makes it a little bit thinner than the one with just the gack. But I like both. Make sure you always scrape your sides of the bowl and your stick. All right, there we go.